Hi, it's Dr. Minkoff here. You know, I look around and I see things advertised all over the place, and one of the things that's promoted heavily in athlete communities are things called branched chain amino acids. So I want to talk to you a little bit about it so you can understand this and see that this is a lot of promotion and hype, but not much substance. Now, what is this thing called a branched chain amino acid? First of all, what is an amino acid? Amino acids have carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and they're mixtures of these things. There's about 22 of them that are used in the human body. And they are the building blocks of our proteins. Now, protein is hair and skin and enzymes and many hormones, and really it's the body structure. So amino acids are like an alphabet, and you put them together in the right sequence and in the right amount, and you get a protein. Now, some amino acids are really simple, and some of them are really complex. Of the 22, and the other thing is, so it's carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, plus N, which is nitrogen. And in Greek, nitrogen is amino. So they're amino acids, and an acid is a substance that's got a COOH on it. That means it's an acid. Okay? But it's got to have a nitrogen. So all amino acids have nitrogen. Now there are 3 amino acids of the 22, and they're all essential. So there are 3 of 8 essential ones, and the essential ones you have to get in dietarily. We can't make them. If you have the 8, you can make the other 14 to equal 22. 3 of these are called branched chain amino acids. And the chain is going like this, and it's got a branch in it. That's all it means. And those are leucine, isoleucine, and valine. Now, the idea that people say is if you take branched chain amino acids, you will recover faster, you will build muscle faster, you will improve your body. But we know that if you want to build a protein, or recover a protein, or repair a protein, you've got to have 8 amino acids, the essential 8. You can't have 3 of 8. Now, there have been some very elegant studies done where if you give these 8, and they're very specific in the specific ratio, that the body will take those in and utilize those and make protein. But if you take 3, which are the branched chains, you won't make any protein because there's 5 missing. And the only thing that happens is your body turns this into fuel. And you might as well just not even take an amino acid and have a banana or a goo gel or something like that. Because you're not making any protein out of 3 amino acids. So the hype on, take branched chain amino acids, they will really help you. No, don't waste your money. Take 8 essential amino acids and they will help you because your body can make protein out of it. And every time you get the impulse or you see a promotion to take branched chain amino acids, take a carb instead. It will work the same way. So amino acids make proteins. You need 8 of them to actually do it. 3 of them won't cut it. So I just pass on the branched chain amino acids because they're really not going to do anything for you except cost you some money. There's one other aspect of it, which is, since there's been so much promotion on branched chain amino acids, and people fall prey to the promotion that, it's going to do it, or this guy's got muscles and that's what he took. But the true test of it is, and look, all of us are susceptible to these things. So the true test of this is this. If you take the right balance of 8 essential amino acids, you will see proteins being made in the body. If you just for one day took branched chain amino acids and you measured, did the body actually utilize those branched chain amino acids to make protein? You know how much protein would be made from those if you just ate those all day long? None. So it requires the other 5 amino acids to be taken at the same time in order to make protein. So what we want to do is we want to do things that are going to actually work and work well. And if you just take leucine, which is one of the branched chain amino acids, it does stimulate gene response to build protein. Okay, that's real. But if you don't have the other 5 amino acids, when you take those 3, while the body is geared up to make protein, it's not going to have what it needs in order to make that protein. And so what we want to do is make sure that when we take this in because we want to build protein, that then we've got it there and it'll actually work.